What's uppers? So today I'm taking off my mid pipe on my bike to have the bung modified to accept my wideband O2 sensor for my auto tune feature. This is the ZT3 wideband air fuel ratio meter that is going to plug in to my log box, and so it will give me the ability basically to ride my bike. It's going to basically get all the information, all the data is going to be gathered from the air fuel mix coming out my pipe through the wideband O2 sensor. Then I'm gonna be able to come back, of course, plug my box in to my nifty portable computer here. You know, this is a Rogue Ally handheld gaming system. And I'm basically going to be able to use the auto tune feature that's within the Woolich Racing software. I'm going to put my bike up on the stands. That I could do it without the stand, but I'm going to go ahead and put it on the stand. It's this one. Oh yeah. Bam. Okay. I put on some gloves. Of course, I'm gonna have to clean this pipe once I get it back. I just don't want to get too many fingerprints. And it's just not wanting to easily come off. Come on. All right. Jeez Louise. That was a pain. Okay. So now take the slip-on off. I'll take off this little coupler. So, all right, that was a nice little workout. So check it out. Of course, I lost my plug here for my factory O2 narrowband. When I put on the exhaust, I was driving around and didn't realize the plug was in tight enough, and it ended up falling out. So, boom. Put in my old O2 sensor. You can see down in there. Just cut the wires just to plug that hole. Anywho, this is the one I got to change right there. Too small. So I'm gonna take it in, have them cut that one off. Boom. They're gonna weld this baby on, you know, or they're gonna, you know, plug that, weld this one on next to it, you know, whatever they do, however they gonna get it done.